Hello friends, today I will teach you how to make an origami Christmas tree tutorial. First of all, we will take a 10 into 10 centimeter sheet. Then we will fold it into a triangle by folding like this. Now we will open it and do that on the same side. You must fold them 2 times on each so that they are really sharp. Use your fingertip for it. Just like this. Now do that on the same side, on the other side. Now open it and turn it over. You can see that these creases are really nicely visible. Now we will fold it into halves horizontally. Just like this. Same with this one also. We will fold it really hard so that the creases are really sharp. Now we will open it and do that on the other side. Now open it. Now turn it over again. Now we will fold this line and connect it to the center line. And same with this side. And we will fold this down. Just like this. First you can fold it again on the triangle, then fold it on the horizontal. You can fold it into a triangle again and then fold on the horizontal line like this. Now you have a triangle like that. Now fold this thing inside and then fold this on the top. Just like that. You can see that you have a triangle again. Now make this crease meet the center crease. You can fold it again so that it is better. Now just fold it like this on both of the sides. Same with this side. Make them really sharp. And now open them. Now insert your finger like this and then you can see this crease. It goes like this automatically, but we have to make it with this crease. So just push it in like this. Crease everything up and then turn this flap back over. You will get something like this. Do the same on the other side. Insert your finger, fold it like this and then press it. Just like this. And then fold it back on. In case if you have done any mistake, you can correct it. This should meet the center line. Now turn it over and do the same on this side. You see, I folded both the sides. Now you have 8 parts instead of 4 parts. Now just fold this up. Fold it upon this crease and then make this line meet this line like this. Now press it. Press it. This side will automatically be folded. You just have to press it a little and then fold this flap back on. Do the same with all the sides which are like this. When it will be completed, it will look something like this, just like this. Now you just have to press it a little hard and like this. Now a little bit like this fold. We will just have to fold this upwards on this one, meeting this line and till here. I'm just going to draw it for you. You can just draw it like this. Now I'm going to fold it on these lines. First fold it like this, meeting the center. Do the same on this side. And then fold it on this line and just like that, and push this in. Do that with all of them. When it will be completed, it will be something like this. I just opened this to show you, but you can fold it back on and just fold it into this shape. Fold these up again, and now this is something difficult. Turn it over. I'm just opening it just to show you. Now you can see it is opened. Fold this thing into half like this, and then fold it back on. Turn it. Well, you can see it like this. Do it with all the sides. Don't remember to turn it over and fold it into half. When it will be completed, it will look something like this. I'm opening one to show you again. Now it will be like this. Now you can turn it over. You see it's something like this. Fold it like this. Fold upon those creases again. Now this will be the leafy part of the Christmas tree. Now it will be something like this. You have to make 3 like this. I'm just showing it to you. Now I have made all 3 of them just like that. So you can see we won't be intersecting them right now. We will be intersecting them all together when we make the tree trunk. I'm just showing it to you right now by winding up. Now this is the origami tree trunk. So I'm just going to show you how to make it. You can put a rubber band over here as it will open really easily. So you need a 13 into 13 centimeter sheet for this. Now fold it into a triangle from both these points like this. Now unfold it and do the same on the other side. Now it will look something like this when you have folded it from both the sides. Now turn it over and fold it into half horizontally. Just like this. Now do the same on the other side. When you will do it, it will look something like this. Now turn it over and fold it back like this and fold it upon it like this. Now you have a triangle thing. Now squeeze this part inside and then fold the top edge too. Fold it nicely. Now fold this sharp point to the center point. Now fold it just like this to the center line again. Now unfold and fold this to the center line, just like this. Now open and fold this to the center line. This is the last time you need to fold it to the center line. Now open and fold it again on it. Now just fold it back on like this. And now fold this point to this line, just like this. Now fold it like this. Just make a zigzag pattern. Now fold this to the center point first and then this to this line. Now fold it back to the other side. Press it nicely. Now unfold it, mark the creases again and make all these creases on all the 4 sides. Now when it will be completed, it will look something like this. It looks really rough, but never mind. Now open this and fold it on this. Now this is the tough part. Now fold on this crease inside, just like this. I'm showing it to you from the top angle. Now when you will, it will look something like this. Now fold this back on. Just do it with all the creases and all the sides. Now open it again and fold it inside on this line. Now fold it up on this side, this line again. Just like this. Do the same with all the sides. Now when it will be completed, it will look something like this. Now as I told you, it can open very easily. Now this is a bit more difficult. Fold this flap like this and then squeeze this in like this. Fold everything into place. Now fold this like this and do the same. Squeeze it and press it like this. Now fold this up and then fold it back on. Now take the other flap. Do the same with all the sides. Now when it will be completed, it will look something like this. Now fold this like this to make it just like this. Now we will start with the intersection. Now I am telling you the lengths again. This one is from a 12 centimeter sheet, this one from a 10 centimeter sheet, and this one from an 8 centimeter sheet. Now first take the smallest one and then the second smallest one. Now put it like this. Turn it. Now put the hole on the big one, just like this. And then when it is done, place the whole thing on the stem, like this. And there it is, your very own origami Christmas tree. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye bye, I'll meet you very soon.